Welcome guys to our third episode of What the Heck Are We Cooking? Today we're going to be making the cherry balsamic chicken with almond couscous and roasted carrots.
We were putting Anyways, we have today a special guest, my mom. Come here, woman. Come here. She's gonna help us out. It's gonna be her first time cooking with HelloFresh. We're gonna show her the ropes and see if she likes it. Let's see what we can do with this today. Here we are, peeling the carrots. Monica being a pro.
Gazing at the night sky.
Here we are tossing the carrots on a cookie sheet and we're going to drizzle it with olive oil and salt. Nicely baked, flavor on the oven.